Love my job, variety. In addition to the creative part, such as photo shootings and planning concepts, there is also a large part that requires normal desk work, such as accounting stuff, writing and paying bills, insurance, reporting, research, writing blogs, blog posts, planning trips, answering emails, etc. What many don't know is that exactly this part of the work takes at least 80% and that mostly 7 days a week. Nevertheless, I am super happy with the decision. To start my own business as a full-time blogger. The creative work makes me incredibly much fun, and also the exchange with the community means a lot to me. Sometimes I miss the coming home and having the evening off, but the positive sides outweigh it because I can fully live myself out every day in my job and I don't want to miss it anymore.